संडे आधा काम करने के बाद रियलाइज़ हुआ कि इसका वीडियो बना लेते हैं. सो वेलकम टू मी ट्राइंग टू मेक ramen at home. I'm going to use this Shin Ramen spicy chicken that I got from Zepto. यहाँ पे ऑप्शन नहीं था. Just संडे को बॉयल like 6 minutes बॉयल किया है because I wanted it soft boiled. And ये मेरा bowl है to eat. I also got some sausages. So these are Zorabian cocktail sausages. So let's get started. And this one another egg is to fry. So इसको भी सौते करूँगी, इसको फ्राई करूँगी. इन्होंने बोला 500 ml पानी में पानी बॉयल होने के बाद इसको डालना है. जो उसकी होते 2 पूरे ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. तो मैं ऑलरेडी रख चुकी हूँ. This one comes like big pan noodle cake that just is equivalent to my face. And it also comes with a couple of seasonings. वो बाद में दिखाऊंगी. So ये जो wait time है ना, ये मेरे को पसंद नहीं है. So we need to still wait for this water to come to boil before I put this thing inside. So गैस बढ़ाते हैं and let's wait. उन्होंने बोला है कि इसको बॉईल होने दो, फिर नूडल डालो, फिर सूप बेस और इनके कोई फ्लेक्स है उसको डालो. अच्छा, फ्लेक्स को भी कुक करते वक्त डालना है, नॉट वाइल गार्निशिंग. शिट शिट स्टूपिड मी. दिस इज द सूप बेस. ये इनका व्हाई डू आई मेक सो मच मेस. ये ही इनके फ्लेक्स. आई वाज होपिंग फॉर सम चिली ऑयल. आई डोंट नो बिकॉज इट्स अ स्पाइसी नूडल बट नहीं है. So ये मे भी अलग वर्जन होगा. So this is almost come to boil. So let's put our इसको डुबा देते हैं अंदर. Now let's wait for some time. तक ये फैला हुआ कचरा और ये थोड़ा खा के let's taste it if it's better than Maggi or not. I'm ये कच्चा तो मैगी अच्छा लगता है. दिस इज ऑल्सो ओके. सो मैं इसी स्टेज पे सूप भी डाल रही हूँ बिकॉज दे सेड सो. आई डोंट वांट टू यूज माय ब्रेन. Oh shit, I thought I was recording but no I wasn't. So मैंने पूरा पैकेट डाल दिया. But anyways, you saw it. That's what matters. And of course इसमें थोड़ा सा बचा है. So I'm gonna do my tea. मैं ladle से थोड़ा पानी डालूंगी इसमें. What the hell? Yeah. Makes sense. It's already starting to smell very hot. So I'm gonna add the flakes in and I'll get started with my eggs and sausages. Yeah, the flakes. We cut it. Ooh, okay. So it's those garlic wala cheese hai. Frankly speaking, I don't know if it's the soup or the noodles based का quantity ना मुझे थोड़ा ज़्यादा. We add them. मुझे ना full sausage नहीं पसंद. Like I know a few people who eat like the whole sausage, but I like them nice and diced up. But I always get confused कि किस point पे पूरी तरह से cook हुआ है. I know these are a lot, but I actually love it that way. So the 4.5 minutes of ramen is done. So let me taste if it's cooked. Nice. Here comes the most satisfying part. Flipping them around. Thanks, Mom. I am not a content creator. My mom is. Because I did not even realize the lights were not off. If this also irritates you, good. I am irritating here. Let's go. Okay, that's good. It's now time to break the egg. Shit. Not the way I would have liked for it to be. हटाओ sausage इसको हटाओ. I messed up. Very nice. Very nicely I messed up. So मुझे एकदम भी रनी योग पसंद नहीं है. So we are going to flip this around. Although the way I would have, it has kind of gotten messed up. So yeah. Hence proved I cannot be a good multitasker. We cannot complain. Let's get continuing to this. Time to bring the ramen into the bowl. Here goes nothing. Ooh la la. Okay, it fits. Perfectly fits. Now let's start with the garnish. Wow. I'm having sausages after very long, so let's see if it's cooked. By the time that continues, let's quickly break open the egg. So मैंने ना soft boil करने के लिए इसको सिर्फ 6 minutes रखा था, and then I quickly transferred it to cold water. The reason ताकि ना वो shell एक साथ निकले, but I think I messed this one up as well. See, the white is in my hand. I don't think I'll be able to even cut it in two because ये निकालते खुद ही कट होने वाला है. See, the yolk is out. I'm not happy about this is turning out. No, look at this. This never usually happens, okay? Hard luck. And a super failed attempt at getting soft boiled eggs. Not going to be an over smart next time. चुपचाप 8 minute boil करके I messed it up very badly. Oh, wait. It's actually soft boiled. Guys, only if I knew how to peel it right. This is perfect. See? So perfect ooey gooey eggs. Wow. It's time to now top these up on the ramen. So we'll put it on the eggs over here. Okay. And with that, introducing my first bowl of ramen.
So unhealthy, Shivani.
What? I know it is, but are you not proud of this? Okay, you're not. Very clearly. It's okay. Let's go. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. So I even have the chopsticks from my Japan trip. But I'm really easy to use them. These eggs, I nailed them, dude. I nailed it. I'm having this bite with eggs. It's a perfect creamy texture. Just what you need to end your weekend. First take, successful. Back to tell you that this is a lot of quantity for one person, or maybe I'm just not used to eating this. As I said, I may not be able to finish this, so if you're eating alone, maybe just add one egg, probably one sausage or two sausages are okay. It's heavy, maybe because of soup. I'm sweating a little, see. So it was not that hot in the beginning, maybe because I was pairing it with the eggs and the yolk and the egg and the sausage. But then once you keep slurping it, the spice builds up. But it's not like very bad wala spicy that you usually experience with other Korean ramen brands. So that way I really like this, that it was not overpowering, it was not like extremely spicy that, you know, disturbs your gut. This is just the right, just the sweet spot. But definitely I would have liked some freshness, like some spring onions or something on the top, which I didn't have, and I didn't want to get it because again I was lazy. But that's the review. एंड 4.5 minutes तो मैंने उसको पकाया, फिर मैंने गैस बंद करके उसको रखा था बिकॉज तब तक मेरे एग्स एंड सॉसेजेस वर नॉट डन. सो आई थिंक दैट मेक्स इट फॉर द परफेक्ट टेक्सचर ऑफ द नूडल्स, दैट इट वॉज सिटिंग देयर इन द हॉट broth and then it was getting cooked, or maybe, you know, by its own broth. So that's really nice. Overall it is decent. I don't think if I'll have it anytime soon. It was too heavy for me, but good experience. Now finally like, share and subscribe. Bye.